Alright, for example 2, we want to take a closer look at the key signature here. And we notice we have a sharp. That means we could use the rule the last sharp is T, which means Do is all the way up here, and if you walk it down, that means we start on Do. So we're starting on Do. We also want to take notice of the fact that we do have some longer notes. Make sure you hold those out, and also pay attention to these changes in direction, especially in this measure over here. We're going to silently go over this from the top while tapping the tempo. Remember, we start on Do. Time begins now. Make sure you're going over this whole example at least twice. Make sure you even hold out those notes even in your mind as you're reviewing it. Don't skip, still follow the tempo. Alright, time is up. We're going to start on Do, right? Starting on Do, deep breath, and hold it out. 2, 3, and repeat it from the top, and really drop your jaw on these high notes. Alright, we're going to speed up the tempo here. We're going to sing the same thing, repeat it once. Here we go, starting on Do, and always try and look ahead. Last time, even faster. Great job.